Today, we're going to learn some new words to expand your vocabulary. But remember, vocabulary isn't just about memorizing. It's about understanding the feeling of the word and knowing when to use it. Let's begin with our first word. One word is brisk. Now, what does brisk mean? It means quick and energetic. For example, when we walk fast with energy, we don't just say a fast walk. We can say a brisk walk. Repeat after me. Brisk. Very good. Are keen. Keen means enthusiastic or eager to do something. If you're excited to learn English, you can say, I am keen to improve my English. Can you think of one thing you are keen about? Good. That's how we use keen. Stern. Stern means serious and strict. For example, the teacher gave a stern warning. Notice how the word carries a strong no-sense feeling? Say it with me. Stern. Perfect. Sieve. Vivid. Vivid means clear and bright. We often use it for memories or colors. For example, I have a vivid memory of my childhood. That means the memory feels very real in my mind. Vivid. Excellent. Bleak. Bleak means hopeless or without comfort. Imagine a winter day with no sun. No warmth you can say. The landscape looked bleak. Sometimes we use it for situations too. The future looked bleak. Grim. Grim is close to bleak, but even heavier it means serious, harsh, or depressing. For example, the patient received grim news. Can you hear how the word itself sounds strong and dark? Say it once with me. Grim. Yes, that's right. Lush. For example, the garden was lush with flowers. You can almost imagine green plants everywhere when you hear lush. Wry. Now, wry is an interesting word. It means showing dry, mocking humor. For example, he gave me a wry smile. Not a big laugh, but a small smile that shows amusement or irony. Repeat with me. Wry. Nicely done. Apt. APT means suitable, appropriate. For example, that was an apt description. It means the words fit the situation perfectly. Glum. Glum means sad or depressed. If someone looks unhappy, you might say, she looked glum after hearing the news. Say it softly with me. Glum. Words. Remember, don't just listen. Repeat after me and imagine real situations where you can use these words. Word 11. Shrewd. Shrewd means smart, sharp in judgment, especially in business. Example, she made a shrewd decision to save money. Repeat. Shrewd. Excellent. Word 12. Candid. Candid means honest and open without hiding anything. Example, he gave a candid opinion about my work. When you're candid, you're truthful. Say it with me. Candid. Word 13. Witty. Witty means smartly funny. Example, her witty jokes always make the class laugh. It's humor with intelligence. Repeat. Witty. Word 14. Bold. Bold means brave and confident. Example, it was a bold step to start her own business. Say it with me. Bold. Good. Word 15. Meek means gentle, quiet, not forceful. He was too meek to argue with anyone. Number 16 is coy. Coy means shy, but in a playful way. Example, she gave him a coy smile. Repeat. Coy. Lovely. 17. Brave. Brave means showing courage. Example, the brave soldier protected his country. Repeat. Brave. Strong word, right? 18. Astute. Astute means very intelligent, quick to notice things. Example, the teacher praised her astute answer. Repeat with me. Astute. 19. Rude. Rude means impolite. Example, it is rude to interrupt someone while speaking. Repeat. Rude. 20. Noble. Noble means honorable, good-hearted. Example, Helping the poor is a noble act. Say it once more. Noble. Excellent work. Word 21. Crisp. Crisp means fresh, cool, or clear. Example, they enjoyed the crisp morning air. Repeat, crisp. Word 22. Bland. Bland means dull or without taste. Example, the soup was bland and flavorless. Say it with me. Bland. 23. Hazy. Hazy means unclear, foggy. Example, my memory of that day is hazy. Repeat, hazy. 24. Dim. Dim means not bright. Example, the room was lit by a dim lamp. Say it, dim. 25. Vast. Vast means very large. Example, the ocean is vast and endless. Repeat, vast. Excellent work. You've now learned 25 strong vocabulary words with examples. Remember, don't just memorize. Use them in your sentences today. That is how new words become part of your language.